Okay, and you want me to go to cal.com?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Okay,
I want you to click on sign in with Google. No, go back.
I've got sign
Or
in.
very perfect. Choose Denise and or Dennis and
That's Dennis in French. Continue.
uh, yes, please. And I want you to check those two box, select all,
Select all.
and continue. All right, so you have your full name. Go ahead and hit next step.
Okay.
And you do want to integrate it with your Google Calendar. So click on Google Calendar and hit next. And if you want to use Zoom, this is where you would scroll to the bottom and select Zoom.
Well, I have Zoom video, but no,
Oh,
not
okay,
that.
there it is. You're right. You're right. I'm sorry. They put it at top because most people are going to use Zoom. Okay. And then it's going to ask you to sign into Zoom. And what this is doing is it's integrating Zoom into your cal.com. And you'll see how that works here in a minute. And then it's asking for permission. You may want to save that. Up at the top right, it's asking if you want to save it, save your login. Now you're giving cal.com permission to access your Zoom account, and you want to allow that.
Okay. Allow this app to use my shared access permission and allow. Okay.
Okay, click on next step.
Okay.
Let's stay here for a second and let me kind of explain this. The default is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. that it's going to allow people to schedule or book a call with you. Um, I don't like using 9 to 5 because you're gonna get one call that's booked at 9 a.m. You're gonna get another one at 11, another one at 1, another one at 3, and another one at 4:30, and it's gonna interrupt your entire day. So what I suggest you do here is on the Monday through Friday is change the time from like 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So you have a block of uh, um, you have a block of time that you're going to devote to these booked calls. So what I would suggest is like from 1 to 4 p.m. If you're working during the day, you would want and you can't start returning attending these book calls. You can only do it in the evening. Then you would do from like 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. or something like that. But we want to keep the window short, but not so short that as your calls are booked on a particular day, that there aren't available slots. So here, for the sake of this, we're going to change the default from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We're going to change it to 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So just click inside of the 9 a.m. and change it to 1. But whatever window you decide to use, just set it to that window. You can leave it at the default and have scheduled calls throughout the day, but most people say that it just interrupts, it disjoints your entire day if you're booking throughout the entire day. I want you to click on Saturday, turn Saturday on, and do from like 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And the reason is that I want some time on the weekend for those people that work during the week. Okay, let's go ahead and hit next. And you can add a profile picture and something about yourself, but let's go ahead and just hit next. The top right corner, you'll see a black button that says new.
Yes.
Click on it. And we're going to create a new event called Discovery Call.
Oh,
And we're
okay.
all right. And in the text area, we're going to write, this is not a sales call and there's absolutely nothing to buy. The purpose of this call is to get to know you, understand your goals, and for you to learn more about us. It's a two-way conversation to see if we're a good fit for each other.
I leave the 15 minute.
No, change that to 30. I'm sorry.
That's okay. I thought we said 30.
And
Continue.
hit continue. Okay. Now you have two vertical menus, one on the left, one under the discovery call. I want you to click on limits.
Got
Limit.
it.
Yeah.
Yep.
And I want you to click on limit future bookings. It's down towards the bottom.
Future bookings.
Just click on it.
Go.
All right.
All right. Now change that 30 to the number 4. Okay. And click the save button in the top right hand corner. Go all the way over to the left menu
Mm-hmm.
and click on event types. And to the right of discovery call, and where do you see that where it looks like a link?
Yes.
Click on it. Okay, down at the bottom it says link copied. Um,
Okay.